everyone! Today I'm going to give you some tax tips on how you can potentially save thousands and thousands of dollars every single year.
Here comes the money!
Before I get into the video, I did want to note that I'm not a tax accountant or a financial advisor, so it is important you do your own research and reach out to a professional if you do need help. These are just some things that I've done to reduce my tax bill each year. And make sure you stay till the end of the video because I'm going to share a new tip with you that not many people know about on how you can save on your tax this year. And if you do enjoy videos like this, please hit the like and subscribe button. I do make videos every single week about how to save money, how to make money, and how to set yourself up for financial freedom. So the first step is to invest in a tax accountant. A really good tax accountant is so worth the money. They will at least pay for themselves with your tax return, and in some cases they can save you thousands of dollars each year. The next step is to claim everything that you're allowed to claim as a tax deduction. So if you do end up spending money on anything that relates to earning yourself an income, make sure that you keep those receipts and take a photo of them. Even if you did buy something which is partly for personal use, partly for work use, make sure that you keep a receipt of it. An example of this is a bag that you sometimes use for personal, sometimes use for work. You might be able to claim a percentage of that item for work use and be able to claim that as a tax deduction. You can also download the ATO app. I've included a link in the description below. This is a really great app and you can literally take photos of your receipts as you go, and then you're able to kind of go through all of those receipts when you are making your tax return at the end of the year. And let me know in the comments what kind of things you do to save money on taxes. I read every single comment and I would love to know your thoughts. So the third step is to make some extra voluntary contributions to your super. So your employer already puts 9.5% of your income into your super fund automatically. However, for most people, this isn't actually enough money to retire, so you will need to save extra money for your retirement. So how it works is your employer will put aside more money into your super before tax and then pay you the remainder after tax. This means that all of the money you put into your super fund is before tax or tax-free. Doing this can save you thousands of dollars and help you reduce your taxable income. It is a good idea to do this after you've already purchased your first home, because you won't be able to access any of these funds until after you retire. The fourth step is to keep a record of all of your charitable donations because these are tax deductible. So if you've donated to any bushfire charity this year, including Wires, the RFS, or the Red Cross, make sure that you find a receipt of those records and put it in your tax deductions because all charitable donations are tax deductible. And the fifth step is if you earn over $90,000 per year, have a look into using private health insurance. So if you don't have private health insurance and your income is more than $90,000 per year, you will actually be paying an extra 1% Medicare levy surcharge. And that's on top of the 2% compulsory Medicare levy surcharge. A basic private health insurance health plan can cost you less than that 1% extra Medicare levy surcharge. And that's why looking into private health insurance is worth it, because when you do have private health insurance, you don't have to pay that extra 1% Medicare levy surcharge. So make sure that you do your homework and do your research about all of the private health insurance providers out there, and make sure that you find one that's right for you and your finances. Thank you so much for making it this far into the video. Now I'm going to share with you a tip that you might not already know about how you can reduce your taxes this year. Now that a lot more Australians are working from home to help flatten the curve, the Australian Taxation Office has made it easier to claim work from home office expenses. These changes will allow people to claim 80 cents per hour of all of their home office expenses, instead of having to calculate each one individually. I've put a link in the description below, and if you'd like to learn more about how these new changes will affect you this year, you can check out my video up here about all of the new changes in the stimulus package the Australian government has produced. And you can learn more about Job Seeker, Job Keeper, and the new work from home tax deductions. Thank you so much for watching my video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did like it, please like and subscribe to my channel. I make 2 videos every single week about how to make money, how to save money, and how to set yourself up for financial freedom. And let me know in the comments what kind of things you're doing to save money on your taxes. I read every single comment and I would love to know your thoughts.